Hi everyone, it's Eric from Indicator Warehouse, and it is Thursday, October the 24th. Today I wanted to share a little tip with you that most traders rarely consider in their trading, and that is the fact that you cannot force the market and what to do about it. This is a chart of the NASDAQ market. And it's on my Falcon Swing Trader, which is part of the diversified trading systems. And you can see on here I also have my ultimate support and resistance lines to help identify where the market is most likely to give me support and resistance. But I want to show you something. Here is the morning session. So the market opened right about here. It opened at 6:30 Pacific, 9:30 Eastern, and we got a sell signal right out of the gate, and it looked like it fell off and probably hit our profit target. But then things got a little bit choppy. It goes a little bit sideways. Yeah, there was a little move to the upside here, but for the most part, when you look at the morning session, it was more or less sideways. We had a sideways session here, and then for about another hour and a half, the market continued to go sideways here. The market will do that. If you're trading a market like the NASDAQ or the E-mini, the Russell, the mini Dow, pretty much any of the stock indices, if you find yourself struggling to find a trade in the morning session, there is a very good chance that the move of the day is going to come in the afternoon, and very often just before the market closes. I don't know why, but the stock indices like to do that. And that's exactly what happened today again. So you can see, we had a range here. We were range bound here. And then just before the market closes, look at that. We get that big move to the upside. So that's something to be on the alert for. If the market is not cooperating, if it's not giving you some solid moves, some good follow through during the morning session, just wait. I know it's a pain. Sometimes you got to wait until the end of the day to get the big move, but that's exactly what happened in the stock indices today. So there's a little tip for you, something that I hope you'll be able to put to good use. This is Eric from Indicator Warehouse. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.